Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to turn off power saving mode automatically on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to battery. Here in battery, you can see the power saving mode, and the power saving mode is on. To turn off automatically, okay, you'll have to do stop this, and you can see here the turn off automatically, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn off power saving mode automatically, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned off the power saving mode automatically on Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, the power saving mode turn off automatically when the battery is charged to 60% or is fully charged. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned off power saving mode automatically on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.